Shadow, wasn't that Sonic's?
He sounds like a girl. Accurate Silver impression. Silver, don't participate. You're just gonna be a loser in all this. You literally sound like a girl in this.
Guys, stop it!
Guys, stop it! Guys, stop it! Guys, stop it! Shut up, bro.
Oh, we're just getting started.
Nah, bro. We're just starting to fight. We're gonna go super far in this one. The TV! Take that! Oh!
Please stop fighting over just a stupid...
I still think I'm a big stupid idiot. Oh, is that the end? Next second, of course.
Shadow, wasn't that Sonic's?
He's already.
That's what you sound like.
We're just getting started.
Exactly. Of course, we're only just getting started. I'm the ultimate life form. I would not cower down in a fight. Super quick to keep the camera straight.
Fighting over just a stupid chili dog.
Will you guys stop fighting over a stupid chili dog? Will you guys stop fighting over this? You guys stop fighting over that? You did that.